Christy Cargill and I'm back again. We will discuss new things today, something which inspires us, which inspires our daily routine. I generally take all these discussions from my daily routines. When I read some books, I keep jotting down those points, to share with you, because when I get a chance, I just record and share with you guys. I'm reading a nice book nowadays. It's about J.R.D. Tata, Ratan Tata's father. This book has a lot of ethical business tips, how do we do ethical business and etc. I'll share those soon. But I found one major thing in that book when I was reading all these legends books, biographies and etc. What they actually say about life. The major thing we all fight with ourselves is how to overcome our failures in life. How can we fight with these failures? How can we move on with these failures in life? So we'll discuss about this today. I was reading one Michael Jordan's book which says, I can accept failures. Everyone does fails in life once, but हमें try करना नहीं छोड़ना है. We never should keep trying in life. We never should feel motivating in life. So what I personally believe, every day is not a good day. In my daily routines also, every day is not a good day. Sometimes it is very hectic, sometimes I feel very low, sometimes it's very energetic day, sometimes things happen very positive throughout the day. So every day is not good day, every day is not bad day. We need to believe this philosophy once, that all days are not good or bad days. There could be a certain graph in your life. Some days can be very good, some days could be not up to the mark, or maybe you are not happy for those days. I would never say bad, I never use bad word, bad day in my life. Some days are not productive days, some days are not meant to be added in my life history. मुझे लगता है वो दिन को delete ही कर दिया जाए life से. So but that's okay. Every day are different days. The first thing, how shall we fight with our failures in life? How shall we overcome with these failures in life? This is a very major discussion. I always think about क्यों हुआ मेरे साथ, why this has happened, So the first thing, just accept how you feel. What the big thing I find, I also had this disclosure in me कि मैं fail हो गई हूँ. I should not disclose this to my, talking about school life. Since school life though, I never had a chance to get fail in my school life though. I was a brilliant student, but हम कई बार हमने देखा है बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स अपनी मार्कशीट्स को पेरेंट्स से छुपाने की कोशिश करते हैं. They hide their failures from their parents. Starting from school, we find this failure disclosure till now in life. हम देखते हैं कि बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत सारे लोग बिजनेस लाइफ पे भी, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ पे भी, they paint a fake smile on their face. You don't need to do it. You need to accept what you feel. You need to disclose what you feel. At times, what you think and feel about your failure is good. You should not hide it. You should not overcome your failure with a smile that no, nothing has happened. You should not ignore those feelings. I think keeping these feelings out is also one good exercise. This will make you feel light inside. कि मैं fail हुई हूँ. So what? I've been failure in doing this task. At least I'm trying. I've been failure. That's all right. So you need to show at times. You need to show all times when you are fail or when you are negative, when you are bad. What you're thinking and feeling about your failure right now, instead of hiding it and painting a different smile or maybe a fake smile on your face. हम किसी के सामने अलग तरह का gesture दिखाती है that nothing has happened. That's a bad exercise. Just keep trying it. On maybe yesterday you were failed, today you are again failed, but tomorrow you can win over this situation. You can pass out that, you can get success doing that effort, whichever you're doing, and you've been failure. So the day is not, that's what I'm saying, every day is not the same day. There could be fail, there could be good days, there could be bad days. But you need to remind every time that once you were failed, it should not be a setback in your life that you are a failure indeed now. You can never get a success, or maybe the life ends here. I should stop attempting this efforts now. So just remind yourself, it's a bad day maybe, it's not a day for you today. Maybe yesterday was also not a day meant to do this task, but tomorrow keep trying again. You will get success. Day after tomorrow you will get success. You will get success if you do not make it a setback in your life and you stopped attempting those efforts. So keep learning, keep learning from every short mistakes, every small or big mistakes. जो भी आपको setback लगा है, उसका setback ये नहीं होना चाहिए that I will not try it again. Rather, you should make it more attempts. You will get success. Learn from your previous mistakes. जो आप yesterday mistake को कर रहे थे और जो आज आपने mistake की है अपने task में, internally we know where we are lacking, right? So we will not repeat it tomorrow. You will hit it there. So these are the 3 essential points I always discuss about. Now, be constructive and learn from your situation. We need to be constructive about our situations. We need to learn from our situations. We need to make, good questions from our failures. How this has happened, or maybe you need to honestly ask yourself why this has happened. अगर ये मैं ऐसे नहीं ऐसे करती तो क्या डिफरेंस होता मेरे इस टास्क में, या what little thing I've made wrong in my this effort. You need to ask questions which are constructive, which will make you a constructive build next effort में, कि मुझसे ये गलती हुई शायद. अगर आप questions पूछोगे, you will get answers definitely. Not today, जरूरी नहीं है. कुछ brains आपको on spot answer देंगे, कुछ hour भी लगा देते हैं आंसर देने में, कुछ weeks भी लगा देते हैं आपको आंसर ढूंढने में. कहते हैं ना कि जो इसमें कुछ अच्छा ही होगा जो हुआ होगा. सो यू नीड टू लर्न व्हाट गुड यू डन इन दैट एफर्ट, बट आप फेल हो गए. व्हाट बैड यू डन इन दैट एफर्ट. आस्क क्वेश्चंस, कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्वेश्चंस टू योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम द प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन, कि मुझसे यहाँ कहाँ गलती हुई और मुझे कैसे ठीक करना है. हाउ कैन आई री arrange all this efforts of mine to get success. So if you ask such questions like how can I avoid yesterday and today's mistakes in my next day effort, you will definitely find an answer maybe after 1 week, and then give it an attempt again. You will get success. It's very easy. It's not really rock science and some science that we can't get success once we've done it, once we've been failures. So remind yourself, anyone who wants to do things of a value will fail. Very importantly, this is what I read from Mr. Tata's book. अगर हम कुछ एथिकली लाइफ में करना चाहते हैं तो जरूरी है कि हम जरूर फेल होंगे. एक बार नहीं, 2 बार नहीं, बहुत बार फेल हो सकते हैं. सो जस्ट रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ, इफ यू डूइंग समथिंग एथिकली, इफ यू डूइंग इन समथिंग इन अ राइट, in a very straight manner, you might get failed. Every legend does get failed once in life. हर कोई, जो भी आज legends हैं वो भी फेल हुए होंगे. अगर आप legend बनने के रास्ते में हैं तो भी आप अगर आज फेल हो रहे हो, this will move towards your success one day. But you need to keep reminding yourself successful stories of people in life, how they get success. Think about, I mean, I am very fond of reading the biographies of successful people or maybe legend. If I count myself, maybe I've been awarded as an entrepreneur, but I still say that I need a lot of things to work on in my life. I am still not successful business entrepreneur. I feel that I have a lot of points to work on in my life. So this growth should never satisfy you. You need to have that greed of growing more in your life. Let it all into the lighter way. Talk about, take everything in a lighter way. Actually, that's very important. We at times feel it a very big setback that we've been failed. We quit everything. हम सब quit कर देते हैं. Friend circle. We quit our lifestyle, social life, everything. No, that's a very bad idea. I think so. अगर हमें कुछ भी ऐसा failure feel होता है, we feel down in life, we feel that I'm sorry about myself somewhere. Discuss this with somebody close to you, maybe your father, mother, your husband, your relative, anybody, a friend. who thinks is worth talking, definitely you should talk about it. अपने जब हम कहते हैं ना, हम दिल की बात करते हैं, we feel relaxed, we feel easy, we feel lighter. So we need to feel lighter, क्योंकि जब हम लाइट हो जाएंगे अंदर से, we will keep everything out, we will feel more productive again. हम दोबारा उसमें प्रोडक्टिव कर पाएंगे जो हम करना चाह रहे थे. बाय डूइंग दिस यू विल नॉट बी इजीली ड्रैग्ड नेक्स्ट टाइम. और आप नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी आपकी लाइफ में सेटबैक कोई ऐसा आएगा पीरियड में, यू विल बी 100% रेडी टू फाइट विद इट. सो बिकॉज यू आर प्रिपेयर्ड, you feel like that you've shared with somebody, now you're relaxed. Try it once. I think it's psychologically very strong exercise. अब जब किसी से बात करते हो, आपको आगे से कोई रिव्यूज मिलते हैं, that it's not your fault alone. Obviously, because the other person also tries and makes you feel lighter. So when the other person says it's not only your fault, आपको भी सोचना है it's not only your fault. At times there would be a fault of other people around also along with you. Not only your fault will make you prepared for the next time to give your 100% and hit it more harder. Okay. Find inspiration and support from your life people. आपको अपने आसपास सपोर्टिव सिस्टम ढूंढने की जरूरत है. आप अकेले ही सारी फाइट को नहीं लड़ सकते हो. चाहे वो आपकी फैमिली है, that can also be your support. Your friends can also be your support. Your life partner can also be your support. But then you have to find the inspirations around you. I find inspirations reading books because I think so. Those books give me very inspiring thoughts. Whenever I feel negative, I read a book which gives me some positive thinking. I also had a lot of setbacks in my life, but हम लोग हो जाते हैं, that's a human tendencies. But you know what? With the right support and the right inspiration, you will get it achieved next time. You will give it more 100% because you feel lighter when you discuss to somebody. Now you have got to know that it's not your fault only. You should give it a next attempt. So slowly and after many times we try, we can achieve what we thought to. जब हम चाहते हैं किसी चीज को, तो वो पूरा यूनिवर्स लग जाता है हमें वो चीज देने के लिए. I always believe in it. In all my videos I say that we need to just think and decide, I want this. You will get it if you are dedicated towards getting those maybe targets in your life. So till then I think आज बहुत long discussion हो गया है, but then we'll see you next time. I'll discuss some new things. If you have something, keep reviewing and writing to discuss more. We can do some debate sessions as well, slowly. But anyways, till then, please be safe, be home, try wearing masks, gloves, those basic precautive things, because this COVID is very dangerous and it's very scary at the end of the day. So I'll see you next time. Thank you.